Hi guys!
It's Gemma.
It's Gabby, and together we are the
MJ
Girls. So today we wanted to welcome you to our channel. So name?
Please like, comment, and subscribe to all our videos.
And no haters, as I'll just
Yeah, else we'll just go all gangster.
So we are all about humour and just having fun, I guess.
Yeah.
We never get to do this because Gemma lives far away from me, so we won't be posting all the time.
Yeah. We'll post as soon as we can, as often as we can. And that's pretty much
We're gonna be doing challenges.
Yeah. We will do tutorials.
I can't say it.
I can't say it either. I'm sure none of you can, but if you can, please let us know.
I love you guys. See you, YouTube.